When you search for car jump starters, everything looks the same. Same flashy designs, same bold claims. But to really understand what works and what's just marketing fluff, you need to look deeper. Product number 1, Gulu A3 Portable Jump Starter. Let's kick things off with the Gulu A3 Portable Jump Starter. This little powerhouse caught my eye with its multifunctionality and robust specs. Priced competitively, it's designed for serious performance. If you want something that tackles dead batteries and tire inflation all in one, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Gulu A3 provides a staggering 3,000 amps, which means it can start up to 9.0-liter gas engines and 6.5-liter diesels. That's perfect for those unexpected breakdowns. Plus, the integrated air compressor can inflate your tires with a max pressure of 150 psi, which is super handy if you're in a bind. With over 8,000 units sold just last month, it's clear that people trust this product. Now, I have to be real with you. Some users complained about the size, saying it's a bit bulky to carry in smaller vehicles. But here's the thing. If you prioritize power and functionality over compactness, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you often drive larger vehicles or go on long road trips where breakdowns can happen. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra portable that you can stash in a glove compartment without a second thought. For what you get, the price is absolutely justified. Now, if the size of the A3 bugs you, the next one takes a different approach with a more compact design. Product number 2, Gulu A5 Jump Starter. Next up is the Gulu A5 Jump Starter. This model ups the ante with a peak output of 4,000 amps and integrates an air compressor. It's a bit pricier, but for good reason. If you want something that offers both power and versatility, this might be your new best friend. Powered by Gulu's Jump Core technology, it's designed to jumpstart most 12-volt vehicles, including all gas and up to 10-liter diesel engines. The upgraded tire inflator can pump air at 160 psi, making short work of inflation tasks, like going from 30 psi to 36 psi in just 30 seconds for a typical sedan. This really matters if you find yourself needing to act fast in an emergency. On the downside, some users found its size to be slightly cumbersome compared to traditional jump starters. But honestly, the extra power and features make it worthwhile for those who prioritize performance. This is perfect for you if you want a jump starter that can handle heavy-duty tasks and is ready for anything. Skip this one if you need something lightweight and purely portable without the extra features. For what it does, it gives you a solid bang for your buck. Now, if the extra weight of the A5 isn't your thing, our next product is designed for those who want something simpler. Product number 3, Bakhar's EC5 Jump Starter Cable. Now, let's talk about the Bakhar's EC5 Jump Starter Cable, which is a bit different from the first two products. This one is priced at just $12.19 and is all about simplicity and utility. If you're looking for an essential backup, this is worth considering. This cable is designed to work with most 12-volt portable jump starters featuring an EC5 output. That means you can pair it with your existing jump starter, ensuring you're never left stranded. It has an 800 amp peak current capacity, which is more than enough for most vehicles. The thick copper core ensures you'll have optimal conductivity when you need it. This is key because poor connections can lead to frustrating failures when you're in a hurry. However, some users mentioned that the length of the cables could be a bit restrictive, especially for larger vehicles. But honestly, if you already own a jump starter and just need a reliable set of cables, this won't be a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, no-frills solution to keep in your trunk. Skip this one if you're looking for a complete jump starter setup. For the price, you can't really go wrong. Now, if you want a set of cables that offer even more versatility, the next option is a solid choice. Product number 4, XJVSS EC5 Jump Starter Cable. Next up, we have the XJVSS EC5 Jump Starter Cable, priced at just $9.29. This is another great option if you're after a reliable backup. It's essential for anyone who wants a straightforward solution for emergency starts. What stands out about this cable is its built-in protections, including features against over-discharge and short circuits.
this added safety layer is crucial when you're dealing with high amps. The EC5 power port is designed for anti-reverse insertion, which means you won't accidentally damage your jump starter. It's also made from durable materials, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of emergency use. However, some reviews pointed out that the clamps could feel a bit.
Product number 5, Koi Lovego Heavy Duty Jump Starter Cable Company. Last but not least, we have the Koi Lovego Heavy Duty Jump Starter Cable Company, priced at $9.99. This one is built with professionals in mind, offering a solid backup for emergency situations. If you need something that can handle the pressure, this is worth a look. This cable boasts a premium copper core for optimal conductivity and features comprehensive safety protections, including anti-reverse charging and overcurrent safeguards. That means you can use it with confidence, knowing it's built to prevent sparks or damage. The ease of installation is a plus too, making it user-friendly for anyone. On the downside, some users did mention it can be a bit bulky, which might not be ideal for everyone. But honestly, if you need reliability over portability, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a heavy-duty option that can tackle larger vehicles or frequent use. Skip this one if you're looking for something compact and lightweight. For what you get, it offers great value.
So there you have it, the top 5 car jump starters of 2026. Whether you need a robust all-in-one solution like the Golu A5, a simple cable like the Bach cars, or something heavy-duty like the Koi Lovego, there's something here for everyone. Make sure you choose based on your specific needs and drive with peace of mind.